This is a very cool light show. And for the past 6 years, I've been displaying 34,000 lights, owned and operated by one person, that's me. I'm Carl, and this is my house. What makes this house different is the lights are syncopated to each beat of every song. We have a right stage, a left stage, and a center stage, all symmetrically aligned to do different types of dances per song. This is the Cosmic Color Ribbon Tree. This is called a 3-channel prop. We call these leaping arches. So there's 8 sets of lights, and they dance together in concert. This is Candy Cane Lane. It is the center stage leading the visitors up to the toy box. But on the left stage, we have something special, the talking Santa trees. This quartet sings to many of the songs that are displayed here. All special programming to get the faces to actually coordinate with the music that's coming over your audio. There's 64 channels here. Each of these control boxes have 16 plugs. A lot of people ask me, how does it affect your energy bill? I've calculated this to be about $120 for the entire show over a 40-day period. We're looking here at the window outlines. They can change to one of 16,000 colors. Lighting enthusiasts call this a mega tree. They can do all kinds of effects. So for example, the big mega tree is spinning a spiral effect. We're controlling it live in the yard right now. For God Bless America, for example, I'll stripe the house with red, white, and blue. When I have time, I sit up here and I actually DJ the show based on the song. And this is Santa's workshop. We have a variety of tools out here. I have about 2.5 miles of cable. This board controls all the colors, props that display light on your lawn. It takes me 40 to 50 hours to set up where I left off last year. And this here is an example of adding more to it.
Isn't that crazy?
What makes me do it is the comment of, wow, thank you for putting on this show. We're not allowed to drive by without stopping for at least one song.
Well,
thank you very much.
Thank you. It's really nice.
You're welcome. Come appreciate some music, hip, upbeat, and nostalgic to appreciate the season. Pause, take a breath, and watch some great lights.